Alaikum, peace be upon you. This is ginger tree. You can see ginger tree into the sack. Sack is used for cultivation ginger. Ginger is very useful for health. Many cultivators have told me if I get more profit, I have to use sack. Using sack ginger tree is ginger cultivation is more profitable, but I don't know how much shall I get profit. But pray for me, if I get more profit second time, I will take a big project and I'll take necessary steps to cultivate ginger. Ginger is very helpful for health. Without ginger we can do a single day. It is used for curry, especially without ginger. Meat curry is delicious for ginger. Without ginger, you cannot cook meat, fish curry, and others. So, I'm to stop here. Pray for me. Second time, I'll take big project. This is uh, the first time. This is the first time I have started it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu